Hello viewers, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Namonje's World, where I take you through RE questions and as well some notes and other subject, and also some kitchen work. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, today we're going to look at the three main ceremonies performed by the Jewish parents after birth. Three main ceremonies performed by the Jewish parents after birth. Alright guys, this is a grade 10 work. If you're in grade 10, I'm sure you have done it because this is like a third topic, if not mistaken. So it's a very simple topic that by now should be able to master it and should be able to know it off heart. Okay, so the first circumcision that was held by a Jewish parent is, the first ceremony, sorry, is circumcision. Circumcision. That was the first ceremony held by a Jewish parent. So some of the points that you need to take note under this circumcision, because you'll be taught to explain more in order for you to get great marks on that point given. Because normally the question comes to say explain, mention and explain at least two or three ceremonies performed by a Jewish parent after birth. This is how the question will come. Then there you need to mention a ceremony and then also uh, explain it, how it was done, after how many days or months, what happened. So these are some of the points that you need to take. Please, RE. I've explained in the other videos, when you are writing RE, you need to write it in point form or note form as it has been displayed here. So point one, circumcision, it took place when the child was 8 days old. So after 8 days old, then that child was supposed to be circumcised. Okay. All right. Okay. So after 80 days, the child was supposed to be done what? Supposed to be circumcised. Okay, guys, it's on for a boy child. The second point is that the child was given the name during ceremony. That's some of the point that were um some of the things that were done under circumcision. The third one, circumcision was an outward sign of the covenant or agreement between God and the Jews. All right. So under circumcision, it was supposed to be done after 8 days of the baby. During that ceremony, the baby was named, and as well, you have to know that circumcision was an outward sign, um, covenant or agreement between God and a Jewish person. The third ceremony was dedication. Dedication was a ceremony that was performed when a child was 1 month old. I'm sure taking note because this one always comes at sometimes it comes like at how many days or months was the second ceremony performed. So you have to make sure you master the duration, the days or the month or the dates per se. So this ceremony was performed when a child was 1 month old. Under this ceremony, the child was presented to God in the temple and then brought back or redeemed by a payment of 5 shekels. So under dedication, what was done is the baby was taken to the temple, like they bought back or redeemed. All right. The third one is the purification. Purification was a third ceremony involved. Under purification, the mother was involved. So now the mother need to be purified. It took place 40 days after the birth of the male child. So this ceremony took place after 40 days, which is like month and 2 weeks, not mistaken. A month and 1 week after 40 days. The first one was after 8 days. The second one was after a month. Then the third one, purification, it was after 40 days. Under purification, The mother had to offer a lamb for a burnt offering and a bread for a sin of offering. If parents were poor, a second bird would be substituted for a lamb. Okay, so these are three ceremonies performed by Jewish parents. Please master these ones. They don't miss, otherwise they don't miss in exam. These ones, and they're very very simple. By now you should know it. So for now, we end here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, if you're understanding my teaching, I beg or I plead that leave a comment. You know, when you leave a comment, it also indicate those other viewers will say, okay, this teaching is positive and is impacting to others. So please don't forget also to like. By liking, the more you like, the more those people who are also seeing it, they'll be like, okay, these teachings are benefiting others. Let me also try to do what to watch it. So please, if you're one of the beneficiaries of my teaching, I beg or I plead with you that please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also invite some your friend. And if you want some materials, please feel free. I'll be leaving my line, or if you want to get request, and I'll be glad to hear from you. God bless you.